Welcome everyone, it's John here with Heather and Andy from Andy's Journeys. We're going to head down the Incline Railroad. This ought to be fun. Follow us. Tickets in hand. What do you think about this? She don't know about it. She's a little nervous. Here's the inner workings. Look at those vintage cars. They used to have one up and down here. That's cool. Look at the size of those nuts. All the inner workings here. Wow, you can really feel.
We're not up at full speed yet. That's full speed.
That thing right there is performing a lot of RPMs. That's cool. There's one of them going. They're about to pass each other up there. Look at this view. We saw it. Waiting to get on here, and it started raining once again. Some more of the inner workings. Yep. What do you think?
You want to sit beside me?
Mm-mm.
You want to sit in the window?
It's hard to see out the windows here.
Yeah. Go back in.
Okay, this is what got started bugging me.
We're rolling sheer down the cliff.
And America's most amazing ride. The Incline will travel from an altitude of 2,100 feet above sea level at a speed of 600 feet per minute, nearly 1 mile straight down the face of Lookout Mountain to the Chattanooga Valley below. The grade of the track at the steepest point is 72.7%. Giving the Lookout Mountain Incline Railway the unique distinction of being the steepest passenger railway in the world. The car in which you're riding was installed in March 1987. Many windows were designed to offer the most fantastic view of Chattanooga, as well as the colorful foliage and the lush vegetation of the mountain. In spring, thousands of
Raining, you can't really see a whole
summer
lot.
brings out the mountain laurel and rhododendron, and in the fall, the brilliant reds and yellows of the hardwoods. The bright, crisp days of winter offer a view from the incline trip. As an incline descends historically downward, we'll travel through the cities of Lookout Mountain and Chattanooga, as well as Hamilton County, and the Chickamauga and Chattanooga National Military Battery.
Is that normal? That wire.
Part of the Appalachian chain is actually a plateau stretching 33 miles. 3 miles of Lookout Mountain in Tennessee. Chattanooga was known as the gateway to the South because it was a major rail site and had natural passes through the mountains. Chattanooga became the staging for the famous Battle of the cannonballs fired from the Union batteries began smashing into and around the house.
Through
The
this.
long-awaited Union Army attack on Lookout Mountain had begun. On March 3rd, 1893, the United States government, recognizing the historical significance of the Freedman's House, purchased it and the surrounding 85 acres of land. This was soon to be designated Battlefield Park. The park now holds many artifacts of the war, including Parrott guns used by Confederates to the public at the top of the first incline. The hotel was as splendid as the surrounding scenery. And the ride in the incline was an exciting experience. 18th and Lincoln in 1863.
Rain out.
It is considered by many to have been the bloodiest battle of the Civil War.
Now we're going back up. It's not raining this hard now.
Yep, tell them. Let's go. You're out this trip, and I'd like to thank you all for riding with us today.
Welcome aboard the Lookout Mountain Incline Engineers.
It's steeper.
The incline began making history when we have ice and snow, which luckily isn't too often. The incline has also been used to transport freight, mail, and school children. That's the highest observation points on Lookout Mountain for a breathtaking view of the Chattanooga Valley. On a clear day, you can see 6 states. For those of you who enjoy history, it's over very rough roads to reach the top. But as every visitor to the Point area discovers, it's worth the effort.
It's making some
Today,
weird
the
noises.
Incline Railway takes riders almost a mile straight up the face of Lookout Mountain in about 10 minutes. At Point Park, 3 blocks, you too can marvel at the view that General Grant saw of the Tennessee River
We saw
Valley,
it.
1,500 feet below.
It's steep. Making lots of weird noises too. Oh God. This is the really steep part. This is when you readjust to your seat. Yeah, it does. Oh yeah. Stevie would not like.
I'd like to ask everyone to please remain seated till we come to a complete stop.
What here?
For those of you heading back down to our lower station, these cars are leaving.
Okay. Incline Railroad. It was fun, but
Going back up is scarier.
yeah, it makes a lot of weird noises. Kind of scary, freaky, but
We lost the hubcap.
yeah, sound like we lost the hubcap, but couldn't see too good. It rained, so I apologize. You ain't gonna see a whole lot, but
We tried.
it's worth at least do just once. Love you guys. Peace out.